Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel English with Altaf. I'm Ikra.
And I'm Altaf. We're so glad you joined us today.
In this video, we're going to share something very simple but powerful. 3 steps that can fix your English.
That's right. If you follow these 3 steps, you'll feel more confident, speak better, and learn faster.
So let's get started without wasting any time. Step number 1 is build a strong vocabulary.
Yes, vocabulary is the foundation of any language. If you don't know the words, how will you speak or understand others?
Exactly. And we don't mean you have to memorize thousands of difficult words. Just start with daily use words.
You can learn 5 to 10 words every day. That's enough. But make sure you use them in your daily life.
For example, if you learn the word important, then say things like, "This is important for me," or "It's important to study."
And one more tip. Don't just write the word. Write one sentence with it. That will help you remember it.
There are also many apps and books that help you build vocabulary, but the best way is to notice the words people use in real life and try to use them.
Great. So that was step 1. Build a strong vocabulary.
Now, let's move to step number 2. Listen and repeat.
Yes. Listening is the key to speaking. If you want to speak English fluently, you must listen to good English every day.
And not just listen. You must repeat after listening. This is called the listen and repeat method.
It's like when a baby learns to speak. They listen to their parents and repeat what they hear. That's how we all learned our first language.
So listen to short English videos, podcasts, or conversations. Choose one sentence, pause the video, and repeat it.
Repeat it again and again until your tongue feels comfortable. This will help you improve your pronunciation and fluency.
You can start with simple videos. Even cartoons or beginner English stories are good.
The goal is not just to understand the sentence, but to speak it smoothly.
And remember, practice makes progress. Don't worry if you don't sound perfect at first. You'll get better with time.
So, that was step 2. Listen and repeat. Let's now move to the final step.
Step number 3 is speak every day.
Yes, this is the most important step. If you don't speak, you will not improve.
You don't need a classroom or a teacher to speak. You can talk to yourself.
You can stand in front of the mirror and speak about your day, your dreams, or your family. Anything.
You can also record your voice, then listen to it. You'll notice your mistakes and correct them.
Or find a friend who is also learning English and speak with them for 5 minutes daily.
Even if you don't have anyone to talk to, make a habit of speaking to yourself in English.
Like, when you wake up, say, "I'm going to brush my teeth now." When you eat, say, "This food tastes good."
It may sound funny, but it works. Your brain will start thinking in English.
And once your brain starts thinking in English, speaking becomes easier and faster.
So remember, step 1, build vocabulary. Step 2, listen and repeat. Step 3, speak every day.
These steps are not difficult, but they need regular practice.
If you give just 30 minutes every day to these steps, your English will definitely improve.
Now let's quickly review what we've learned in this video.
We talked about 3 steps to fix your English. First, build your vocabulary with daily use words.
Second, listen to good English and repeat it aloud to improve fluency and pronunciation.
And third, speak English every day, even if you speak alone.
If you follow these 3 steps daily, you will notice a big change in your English in just a few weeks.
So start today. Don't wait for the perfect time. Every day is a chance to learn.
And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, English with Altaf.
We'll see you in the next video with more simple and useful tips.
Till then, keep learning and keep speaking.
Bye for now.
Take care and goodbye.